After years of courtroom proceedings and nationwide protest, the Delhi court has finally delivered its verdict in the Brij Bhushan case. A Delhi court on Monday acquitted former Wrestling Federation of India chief and former Bharatiya Janata Party MP Brij Bhushan Singh in the high-profile sexual harassment case filed by women wrestlers, bringing an end to one of the country's most closely watched and legal battles in the Indian sports. Notably, the Rouse Venue Court also acquitted co-accused Vinod Tomar, the former Assistant Secretary of the Wrestling Federation of India, in the case. The judgment was delivered by Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate Ashwini Panwar after hearing final arguments from both the prosecution and the defence. And since the proceedings were held in camera, members of the media were not allowed inside the courtroom. And following the verdict, Singh's legal team described the judgment as an honourable acquittal. And speaking after the verdict, Brij Bhushan Singh said that the court had acquitted him and reiterated his earlier statement that he would have accepted punishment if found guilty.
कोर्ट ने ये कहा ऑनरेबल जज साहब ने कि बृजभूषण सिंह जी और विनोद तोमर आप दोनों लोगों को बाइज्जत बरी किया जाता है। बाइज्जत शब्द मेरी प्रतिक्रिया ये है, फर्स्ट डे जब मेरा पहला वक्तव्य आया था तो हमने कहा था कि यदि कोई भी फैसला या कोई आरोप अगर साबित हो जाएगा तो मैं स्वतः फांसी पर लटक जाऊंगा। आज कोर्ट ने बाइज्जत बरी किया, मेरे लिए प्रसन्नता का विषय है, मेरे समर्थकों को के लिए प्रसन्नता का विषय है। और हमारे वकील साहब बहुत बहुत आपको धन्यवाद। कहाँ गए भाटी जी, वो कहाँ का बिल्ला और फिर इससे ज्यादा आज कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं। अब बाकी अब कोर्ट का जो कॉपी मिलेगी, अब क्या जजमेंट आया क्या नहीं आया।
Well, the case dates back to 2023 when several of India's top women wrestlers, including Olympic medalists and international athletes, accused Brij Bhushan Singh of sexual harassment and abuse of power during his tenure as the Wrestling Federation of India chief. The allegations sparked a nationwide protest by prominent wrestlers, including Vinesh Fogart, Sakshi Malik and Bajrang Punia, who demanded Singh's arrest and a fair investigation into the matter. The protest soon grew into one of the biggest athlete-led movements in the nation, drawing widespread public and political attention. And following the protest and the intervention by the Supreme Court, the Delhi police registered 2 FIRs against Brij Bhushan Singh. One case was based on complaints filed by 6 adult women wrestlers, while another was registered under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act based on allegations that was made by a minor wrestler. Well, on June 15, 2023, Delhi police filed a charge sheet against Singh in the adult wrestlers case under sections 354, 354A, 354D and 506 of the Indian Penal Code relating to outraging the modesty of a woman, sexual harassment, stalking and criminal intimidation. Vinod Tomar was also named as a co-accused on charges of criminal intimidation, and in May 2024, the trial court framed charges against Brij Bhushan Singh for offences related to 5 women wrestlers, observing that there was sufficient material to proceed with the trial under sections 354 and 354A of the IPC. The court also framed charges of criminal intimidation under section 506 with respect to 2 complainants. Vinod Tomar was charged with criminal intimidation in connection with 1 complainant, and during the trial, both the accused remained out on bail. The defence argued that the complainant's statements contained significant inconsistencies regarding the dates, locations and sequence of the alleged incidents. The defence also relied on documentary evidence and records to claim that Singh was not present at certain locations where some incidents were alleged to have taken place. It further questioned the delay in reporting the allegations and referred to public interactions and social media posts involving the complainants and Singh during the intervening years. Notably, the separate POCSO case involving a minor wrestler had already been closed after the complainant withdrew her allegations, and following the withdrawal, Delhi police filed a cancellation report before the court and the case was subsequently closed. The controversy had major political and sporting consequences, and amid the protest, the Union Sports Ministry constituted an oversight committee to examine the allegations and temporarily oversee the functioning of the Wrestling Federation of India. The case also impacted Brij Bhushan Singh's political career as the BJP did not field him in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections from his constituency. Instead, the party nominated his son Karan Bhushan Singh, who went on to win the seat. And with today's verdict, the Rouse Avenue Court has acquitted both Brij Bhushan Singh and Vinod Tomar of all the charges in the adult wrestlers case, bringing the legal proceedings to a close after more than 3 years of investigations, protest and trial proceedings. And the judgment marks the conclusion of one of the most significant and widely debated legal cases involving Indian sport, politics and athlete rights in the recent years. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.